Do you miss this feature from Premiere? In Resolve, if you go to File, Export, you will see the option called Current Frame as Still. Well, so if you assign that function to a keybind, you basically get that feature. Now place any frame you want to export and then press the keybind that you assigned. Choose your export location. As you can see, it's already filled the file name with timeline's metadata. And you can also export in multiple formats. But to achieve this function, import the folder where your future exports will go. Then, turn on the Auto Resync Media Files option. There you go. But spoiler alert, it's bad. Because when you export the next one, it still takes some time to reload automatically. So I just recommend to do it manually. But one thing that's nice about this, other than doing it from Fusion or Color Pages, when you want to export the frame from source media, it will save a lot of time. For example, in here, let's say you want to export this Homelander frame from The Boys. Instead of hiding all top layers or going to another source-only timeline to export this in Color Page, you can basically press the F key to match the frame in the source viewer, press the keybind, then export it. So share this with others if useful, and subscribe.